Hello, I'm going to show you the food labels in this product. Information about your food product. So, the first food label here is the product name. So, it is Nesquik cereal. So, now is the expiry date and the produced date. So, here it says it was produced at January 6, 2020, while you have to finish it before January 6, 2021. So now we proceed to the ingredients list. So here, it's cereal grains, which is 68%, whole grain wheat, which is 51%, maize semolina, which is 17%, sugar and chocolate powder, salt, natural flavors, vanilla and caramel, and yeah. So now let's proceed to nutrition facts. So the total fat is gonna be measured here in grams. So if it's per 100 grams is 3.0 grams, while per serving is 2.9 grams, and the daily value or DV is 4%. Now we're in saturated fat, which is going to be also measured in grams. So here it says per 100 grams is 0.9 grams, and per serving is 1.4 grams, while the daily value percent is 7%. Now it's trans fat, which is gonna be also measured in grams again. So if it's per 100 grams, it's 0.000%, so 4 grams. And for per serving, it's also 0.0 grams. And the daily value is, it doesn't have a value. Well, the cholesterol is gonna be measured in milligrams. So if it's per 100 grams, it's 0.0 grams, while per serving is 6.7 grams, and the daily value here, it's 2%. Now it's salt, which is gonna be measured in grams. So per 100 grams, it's 0.44 grams. Per serving is 0.28 grams, and the daily value here is 5%. And now it's total carbohydrate, which is gonna be measured in grams also. So if it's per 100 grams, here it's 80.0 grams. Per serving is 30.0 grams, and the daily value here is 12%. Now it's dietary fiber, which is gonna be measured in grams. So per 100 grams is 9.0%, grams. Well, per serving is 2.7 grams, and the daily value here is 10%. Now it's the total sugar, which is gonna be measured in grams again. So per 100 grams is 24.8 grams. Per serving is 13.2 grams, and the daily value is none again. Well, now it's added sugar, which is gonna be measured in grams again. So if it's per 100 grams, it is 24.4 grams. Per per serving is 7.3 grams, while the daily value here is 15%. Now is protein, which is going to be measured in grams again. So if it's per 100 grams, it is 7.5%, while the per serving is 6.5%, and the daily value is 13%. Now it's thiamine, which is going to be measured in milligrams. So if it's per 100 grams, it's 1.4 grams, while per serving is 0.5 grams, and the daily value is 42%. Now it is riboflavin, which is milligrams again. So if it's per 100 grams, it is 1.66 milligrams. Per serving is 0.7 milligrams, while the percent is 58%. Now it's niacin, which is going to be measured in milligrams again. So per 100 grams, here it's 17.0 grams. The per serving is 5.2 grams, and the daily value is 35%. Now it is vitamin B6. So it's going to be measured in milligrams. So per serving is 1.6 milligrams, and per serving is 0.5 grams. And the daily value is 27%. Now it is the folic acid, which is going to be measured in micrograms. So per 100 grams is 200 micrograms. Per serving is 64.5 micrograms, and the daily value is 27%. So now it is pathogenic acid, which is gonna be measured in milligrams. So if it's per 100 grams, it is 6.0 grams. Per serving is 2.2 milligrams, and the daily value is 44%. Now it's the calcium, which is going to be measured in milligrams again. So per 100 grams is 600 milligrams. Per serving is 332 milligrams, while the daily value is 33%. Now the last one here in the nutrition facts is iron, which is going to be measured in milligrams. So per 100 grams is 12.5 grams. Per serving is 3.8 milligrams, and the daily value is 17%. So now we're gonna proceed to the manufacturer's details. So it's produced in Turkey by Cereal Partners here. Okay, now here is the usage instructions. So here is for a balanced breakfast. So first is you need 30 grams of Nesquik plus 125 ml of semi-skimmed milk, which is this one, plus a fresh fruit. And the last one here is the net weight, which is gonna be measured in grams. So it is 375 grams. How do you keep your food safe from foodborne illness? What is foodborne illness? Foodborne illness is a disease that when a person eats any food, when they get sick, and then when the other people eat the same food, they also get sick. So now, how do you stop foodborne illness from getting in your food? So, you can do this by washing your hands before you cook anything. Because if you don't, these pathogens can go inside your food and then make foodborne illness as someone eats the food. What is FATOM? FATOM is an acronym that helps you remember how pathogens enter your food. So first is FAT. So F stands for food. Pathogens need an energy source to grow, which can be food. So A stands for acidity. If there is little to no acid in your food, then pathogens can grow. And T stands for temperature. If the temperature is in between 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, then it will allow them to grow rapidly. So now it's TOM. So T stands for time. If they go in food, they can grow only for 4 hours, then they can make someone sick. And O stands for oxygen. Some pathogens need oxygen to grow. Well, the last one is M, stands for moisture. If there is moisture in the food, then pathogens can grow with it. And some of these examples can be tomatoes or melons. And always remember that you have to avoid FATOM acronym to keep your food safe. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Bye!